This is the closest that chemistry gets to magic. And no, this is not CGI. To start with, we add a little bit of starch to our first beaker. Next, we add some boiling water to the beaker and try to dissolve as much starch as we can. Once this is done, add some hydrogen peroxide solution to your mixture. Now, put this beaker to the side and start with your next solution. To this beaker, add a small amount of vitamin C. You can get this by crushing up vitamin C tablets or getting it directly. Add some water to the vitamin C to try to dissolve it. Now, add some iodine. What you'll realize is that the iodine immediately disappears. This is because the iodine is reacting with the vitamin C. Now, once both beakers are ready, you can pour the second beaker into the first beaker and wait.